Hi, everybody. My name is Ben Baker, and we have a failure to communicate. Every year in the United States, $37 billion is wasted in ineffective internal communications. We want to help you fix that. But here's some stories that will give you some insights that will show you what is being done currently and how you can avoid them. We hope you find these valuable. We look forward to hearing from you. I can't stress how important signing off on proofs is and getting multiple set of eyes within the company to take a look at it. I heard a story about some baseball hats, and we're talking not 5 or 10 baseball hats, but tens of thousands. And they were for a brand new project, and the person who was in charge of ordering these hats for the company was brand new to the position. Now, the vendor that they used said, look, we're going to make a series of proofs and samples for you to make sure that these are okay before we go ahead, because we're dealing with thousands and thousands of hats. And what they did is they had a digital sample made up. Then they had that digital sample embroidered on an actual hat in Asia, and they had a picture of that hat sent to the customer. Then they had that hat, once that was approved, couriered to the client, put in their physical hands, and had them take a look at it. And along the way, they were asked on multiple occasions to make sure that a variety of people look at the hat, to make sure that the texture of the hat was okay, that the image was okay, that everything was clean and right and clear on the hat to make sure that it was right for approval, because it was a brand new project. Well, guess what? There was a spelling mistake in the name in the embroidery. And when the hats arrived, and thankfully only the first 2,000 of the hats arrived first, and then the rest of the hats arrived later. But the first 2,000 hats that came off the press, there was a major spelling mistake. And that went all the way back to the proof. And what it showed was the person who got the proof didn't pay enough attention when they were looking at it, and didn't have other people look at it before they got it approved. Now, this ended up costing a relationship thousands of dollars, and it ended up putting everybody in a position where people were severely embarrassed. Now, what we have here is a failure to communicate.